Creative Manufacturing Solutions. www.cmsnaija.com. Our Phantom Bed is the dream of every dreamer, the ultimate bed. This bed features Bluetooth connectivity with your mobile phone or laptop, memory card slot for music playback, flash drive slot for music playback, USB charging port to charge your phone, remote control, display screen for feedback and interactivity, audio line in for laptop or mobile phone cable connection, digital FM radio, powerful speakers, 2 leather massage pillows and tons of storage. For all your furniture needs, our experienced professionals will meet and exceed your expectations where possible. We cater for homes, offices, schools, hotels and more. Give us a call now on 081 312 10744 or send us a message on same number 081 312 10744. Visit www.cmsnaija.com to see amazing products at affordable prices. Made by Nigerians, made in Nigeria.